Alrighty, Hope Goats. We're going to continue on here. We got the box. And we hope we know what's in this, but we're not 100% sure. I mean, one of two items, or two of two items. Either way, we're going to find out. It's got them both in there, guys. So, now. Alrighty. We'll get the meat and potatoes first. And I need to sharpen my mower blades because my mower blades are kind of dull. And I haven't sharpened them. I've had that mower, what, 3-4 years, whatever? I ain't sharpened them yet. So, first thing I need to sharpen the blades is a vise. Okay? Gotta have something to hold the blades. See, what is this? This is a Yost LV-4 4.5 inch home vise, blah 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 blah. The other thing I needed was something to sharpen my blades with. So we got the what, Smith's mower blade sharpener. Your hand, maybe not ergonomic. I don't know. The handle seems to be ergonomic. It's got a place to put your thumb. It's supposed to, you know, less damage to your body, less stress on your joints and on your hand and everything else. But it also protects you from the blade. Your sharpener's up in here, okay? You're just gonna rub it right against your blade. We'll get this vise set up in the garage. We'll get the mower blade off the mower, and we'll get this sharpened. And we'll probably record that for you. Anyway, we'll put the links to these down below in the description, so if you want to check these products out. All the reviews I read on this seemed pretty well. So I'm kind of excited about it. And sorry about the cat, it likes to be in videos. I think it's a YouTube star is what it does. Anyway, we'll catch back up with you guys later. Okay guys, what we're going to do here is we went ahead and put it in the vise. And I'm just going to quickly set this up because I don't want to waste a whole bunch of time. It's getting ready to rain. And I want to get this at least somewhat sharp. So you're going to put it in the vise. You're going to take your tool. First, you know, you want the sharp side, you're going to sharpen it up. You're just going to put it in there and pull back while keeping the downward pressure on it. Just like you would sharpen any other knife or any other blade. Rain. And I'd like to get inside before it does. Bye.